In this video, we will see how you can create and publish your event on Academeet and how you will invite others to your event. I explain you by an example. Let's create an event. Okay, so firstly we have to upload a picture related to our event, or you can just upload a picture of yourself just like this. Okay, now let's suppose I want to organize a conference on macroeconomics. So I will fill macroeconomics as a title, and here I am organizing a conference. So I am selecting conference as an event type. If you are conducting a seminar, workshop or any type of event, then you can select according to your choice. Okay, fill the organizer name. Now in the about section, you can fill information about your conference, like the benefits of attending your conference and how long will you conduct the conference, the activities that will happen during the conference, and what participants can expect from your conference. And you can tell about your experiences as well. Like these type of information you can put in the about section. I am filling some words here, but you don't have to fill like this. I have told you what you have to fill in the about section. Now let's say I'm organizing a conference on 12th of January, so I have to put the event date, and I have to fill registration and abstract submission dates also. So the registration dates will be 10 and 11. Okay, and the abstract submission date will be 11th of January. So let's select 11th of January. Okay, so here I am organizing a conference on macroeconomics, so the interest will be economics, and you can select your interest according to your like conference theme or whatever you are organizing. Here I am organizing a online event, so I am selecting an online event. Let's suppose if you are organizing a event which is online and offline both, then you can select hybrid event. Okay, so now I have to put the topics here, whatever the topics that I will discuss in my conference, and I have prepared some topics, so I will just do copy and paste. Okay, so these are the topics that I will cover in my conference. Now I have to add keynote speakers, like eh, and if I want to add or invite keynote speakers, then I have to put their email IDs, like I'm entering email ID of myself. Okay, and like if you want to invite any persons in your event as a keynote speaker, and so you can just simply enter their email ID and you can invite them from here. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, which is organizing committee. Now here I can select from the below options whatever the suitable option. Okay, so at academic committee, here I'm adding Amit sir. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so here there is an option of call for papers, because I have prepared a call for paper for this conference. So I can just simply pick from here. and you can made your call for paper accordingly, like just like this format. Okay, so here is my call for paper for my macroeconomics conference. Okay, now if I there is option of peer review process. I can also turn on this option, so peer can review my call for paper, and whatever the participants are going to attend my conference, so they can see the call for paper. Okay, so call for paper is added successfully. Now I have to pricing my conference, like education. So I will select price as 0 rupees. Okay, I'm not charging any amount. Okay, now the this step is to add bank account. You have to add your bank account, because if you charge attendees for participating in your workshop, conference, or any type of event that you are conducting, you can easily collect the payments from the participants directly into your bank account. Okay, let's quickly add the bank account. In this bank account, I will receive the amount from the participants. Okay, I have added my bank account successfully. Now I just simply publish the event. Okay, now let's publish the event. Okay, so the event is successfully published. Now we will see how you can invite others in your event. For this, we have to go to the manage event section. Here we can see all the events that we have created. Okay, so this is the event that I have created just now. So by tapping here, you can share your invite link to others. Like, okay, okay. So that's how you will share your invite link of your event, and others can join from this link. Okay, so this is the conference. These are keynote speakers, conference chair, and the publication. That's how your conference or event will look like after publishing the event. And users can enroll in your conference by tapping this enroll button. Feel free to ask any questions that you have. We would love to solve your doubts. Thank you.